I know the importance of glass storage containers, so I'm excited to share this great 2-jar set that was sent to me for my feedback. First of all, I really like that it has 2 different lid options. You get the glass sealing lids and you get the plastic lids for everyday use. I honestly see myself reaching for the plastic lids the most for quick fridge storage because they're super convenient. But the glass sealing lid, you can use it to store any homemade jams, pickles, or anything you want sealed tightly. And the plastic ones are good for anything, really. The other thing I really like is the size. So these are the 27-ounce jars. So they're large enough to hold any leftovers, meal prep ingredients, pasta, overnight oats, or even a sourdough starter. But they're still compact enough to fit nicely in the fridge without taking up too much space. The jars themselves feel very sturdy and high quality. The glass is thick and durable, and I like that it's crystal clear, so you can easily see what's inside. They also have measurement markings built right into the glass, which is really helpful when you're making sourdough starter or prepping ingredients. Another feature I appreciate is the wide mouth opening. It makes filling the jars so much easier, especially for any larger leftovers. And it also makes cleaning simple. Overall, I very much like these containers and I highly recommend them.